Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free United States phone number for your WhatsApp verification. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So the first step you're going to take is to go to your Chrome browser and search for TestMe APK Pure, because what you're looking for is to download the old version of it. Please mind you that you have to download the old version of it first. Please try to follow the step that I'm going to show you in this video. Just scroll down and look for the old version. The version you're going to download is 3.33.8. This is the version you're going to download. Please follow the step that I'm showing you here. So the version you're going to download is 3.33.8, but I have the version in my phone already. I don't have to download again. So the next step now, if you miss any step that I'm showing in this video, it is not going to work. The next step is for you to just scroll down your phone, turn off your location, turn off your data, turn on your airplane mode. So then turn on your Wi-Fi. If you have any Wi-Fi around you, or you can use even your friend's phone or your second phone to just activate your Wi-Fi network. So in this video, I'm going to use my second phone to just activate my network. Then the next step you're going to take is to go to your Play Store. Look for your Play Store, then search for Super. You're going to download Super VPN. Search for Super VPN. As you can see, please, the first one that I show is not what you're going to download. See, the one that you're going to download is this one that I've marked. Download it. As you can see, I have installed this one in my phone. I just have to open it. Then what you're going to look is for you to choose your location, like New York. You can see New York, then you have to go ahead and choose one of it. Then wait for it to connect. Yes, it have already connected. So the next thing you need to do is to go to that old version of TestMe. Then open it. Wait for it to open. Then as open, you see the sign up bar. Then you need to sign up. They are going to give you all this variety of number. Then all you need to do is to go to your WhatsApp. I think I have WhatsApp, which I haven't used then. So our next step now is to test out all this number given to us in old version of TestMe. We are going to test all of them to know the one that is going to work, to know the one that is available. You need to test them. Remember to test all of them. So just choose any of this number and test them. As you can see, this number is available on WhatsApp. So you need to verify it. Then our next step now is we're not going to use this old version of TestMe to verify, because once you tap the number, it's going to take you to register option, and you cannot sign up here using the old version. All you need to do is to go back to your Play Store, then update your TestMe. You're going to update the TestMe so that you'll be able to sign up. If you don't update it, you're not going to sign up, and you won't be able to verify any code or receive any calls. Then you need to update. So as you can see, it is done. All you need to do is to open it so that you'll be able to sign up. So I have to advise you that the number that updated, you need to test them to know the one that's available. Also, again, you need to take the same process you have already took before. We need to go to WhatsApp and check out of this number to know the one that's available to use. As you can see, I'll be able to get a free United States phone number that works. I'm going to use it to sign up. So I'm going to use it to sign up so that I'll be able to receive my verification code. Just try to follow the step that I'm showing in this video. Don't miss any step. If you miss any step, this is not going to work for you. Then this is the number that I have selected. I'm going to use to sign up. So all you need is to put your email address. I'm going to type my email address now. This is just a temporary email address. I have a good account which I've created before. I'm just doing this for the sake of this video. So choose any password you wish to choose. Just like 8 digits, you're good to go. Then select if you're a male or female. And once you click this, you're going to ask us to verify if you're a human being or a robot. So you're going to just tell them you're a human being. I'm not a robot. If you click it, then you tap to register. I assure you, you're going to successfully register. Once you register, you have already activated the phone number which you have already selected. So what we are going to do now is to use the call me option. You go back to WhatsApp and you just choose call me. Then once you just tap it, it's going to call the code which I'm going to verify now. Yes, I've already verified my code. Then just write your name. So I'm going to show you the number which I have already verified. As you can see it down here, +1 United States. Please, if this video is important to you, this is Suggest Pros channel. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this next time.